They haven't played football.
They haven't.
Where can we cut this sentence?
They haven't.
They haven't? How is that?
He eivät ole.
And played?
Pelannut.
But is it plural or singular?
Pelannut. Plural.
Yes. Not pelannut, but
Pelanneet.
pelanneet. How is it?
Pelanneet.
Yes, and you guys haven't played football.
You guys or he?
They haven't played football.
He eivät ole pelanneet jalkapalloa.
Jalkapallo, yes. He eivät ole pelanneet jalkapalloa. So you can see at first these sentences feel very difficult and but when we take them step by step, we can think it through. The idea here is to think slowly, to learn quickly, because believe me, the more you do it, the quicker you will think and the less errors you will make. But right now it's very important that we go at the speed which we can handle. And then slowly or quickly, depending on a person, it will automatically become faster and faster and faster. But don't try to rush it. Take it at the pace which you can, and then it will get faster. The idea here is not to memorize the answers, but to be in control all the time. How is they objects haven't played it?
Ne eivät ole pelanneet sitä.
Yes, and why sitä? And what form is sitä?
Uncertain form.
Uncertain, yes. And why do you have the T there in sitä?
It has to be like sia, but...
Yeah, to make it kind of clear that there's two syllables or so. They just want to add it. Sitä. And why is it that it's A with two dots?
Because of the I.
And what Valhammer group the I and the E belong to?
Neutral.
And what kind of ending does they take? Or do they take?
A or O with dots.
Or Y, yes, the dotted group. To call in Finnish is soittaa. Soittaa. S-O-I-T-T-A-A. Soittaa. How is he calls?
Hän soittaa.
But how is I call?
Soitan.
Yes. And why you have T there and not D? Why it's soitan and not soidan? Think about the two form. Soittaa. How many T's? Two. And I call soitan.
One T.
So when you have two of the same consonants, what do you do to soften it?
We remove one.
Yes, we drop one and then we have the soft version. But if we have only one hard consonant to make it soft, what we do?
We change it to D.
Yes, K to T to D and so on. This is very good to think, because in the I form we have T there. There must be two T's in the two form, otherwise it would be D. If you think about it step by step, you find the two form or the other forms. How is you guys call?
Call.
You guys call or call?
Te soitatte.
Te soitatte. And they, humans, call.
He soittaa. Soittavat.
With the word they.
He soittavat.
He soittavat. And what was aika?
Soitan.
And tuka?
Soittaa.
Soittaa. How many A's is there in the to form?
2 A's.
In I form?
1 A.
In he, she, it form?
2 A's.
In they form?
1 A.
There's 1 A in the they form, soittavat, if we are not counting the vat ending. Yes, so in the he, she, it form there's an exclusive A if we compare it to the I form. So that means that we're going to take it off, and after that we're going to add vat or vat. Soittavat, he soittavat. How is they have called you? And it's really they have called to you.
He soittavat sinulle.
Yes, but they have called you.
He ovat soittavat sinulle.
Now step by step. They have.
He ovat
Called.
soittavat.
Called. What form is it? Is it present or past?
It is past.
And is it plural or singular? They have called.
Plural.
Yes, and how is... Okay, let's take it step by step. What is to call?
Soittaa.
Soittaa. So I think we haven't done this yet with this one, but when we have two vowels as the last letters, we have something happening that we have already seen. But first, what was the verb to speak?
Puhuta.
To find the correct one, what is I speak?
Puhun.
Puhun, do we have a relationship?
No.
So in the to form we must have, how is it? To speak.
Puhua.
Puhua, yes. Now we have relation. What is the last syllable?
Wa is
Yes, the A. If you take the A off and you add the ending coming after have, how is it? I have spoken.
Puhunut.
Puhunut. Yes, I have spoken.
Olen puhunut.
Olen puhunut. So if we think about the to form, puhua, we have two vowels there at the end. We have a relationship. When we have a relationship, we have to break it, and in this case, we added just one N. Just like with to organize, how is that?
Organisoida.
Organisoida. We have what, if we take off the last syllable?
Organisoi.
Organisoi, we have two vowels. Two different vowels in this case, and we added nut, organisoi nut. Because of these two vowels, we added just nut with the DA or DA with two dots endings. But if we have a verb like to speak, puhua, we have two vowels here in the to form. Last time with the da and da verbs, if we took off the last syllable, we had then two vowels. But now we have them right now, puhua. And to get the have version, we took off the last syllable. What do we have left from puhua?
Puhu.
Puhu. So this behaves in a sense similarly. We take off the last syllable and then we are going to add just one N instead of two, N-U-T or N-Y-T. So to the I have played was olen pelannut. We have two N's, pelata. But if the verb ends to two vowels in the to form, we're not going to add two N's but one. How is I have spoken?
Olen puhunut.
Olen puhunut. That's right. How is I have organized?
Olen organisoinut.
Organisoinut.